friends! Welcome back to our channel Play Game Toy. Today, we're solving a super fun puzzle by matching stickers to make some adorable animals and yummy foods. Wow! Look at all these colorful stickers. We've got pieces of animals like a bunny, a chick, a goat, and a dog. And look, there's also a carrot, some hay, and even a little bowl of food. Let's see if we can match them together. Puzzles like these are so much fun because they help us use our brains while playing. Did you know that solving puzzles can help you learn how to match shapes and colors? It also makes your hands stronger as you peel and place stickers. And that's not all. Puzzles also make your hands and fingers stronger. When you peel a sticker or hold a puzzle piece, you're using your fine motor skills, which are like tiny workouts for your fingers. This helps you with writing, drawing, and even tying your shoelaces. Plus, puzzles teach us how to focus and be patient. Sometimes it takes a few tries to find the right spot, but when you do, it feels amazing, doesn't it? Okay, we are almost ready to start. Look here. They look so nice. Very nice. Okay, now, there are a few more pieces. Look at this cute dog. There is a goat. A little cute sheep. Some funny chicken. A pig and some grass. Very nice. Yeah, we are done. We can start now. Let's mix out stickers. Okay, my friends, everything is on set. We are ready to start solving our puzzle. First up, let's match the chicken. Chickens are so cool because they lay eggs that we love to eat for breakfast. Let's place this cute little chicken right here. Perfect! Next is the goat. Did you know goats are amazing climbers? They can even climb steep mountains. Let's match this little goat sticker. There we go. Now it's time for the dog. Dogs are our best friends, and they love to play fetch. Here's the dog sticker right in its spot. Good job, everyone! Here comes a pig. Pigs are super smart animals, and they love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Let's stick the pig right here. Ta-da! Now we have the sheep. Did you know sheep give us wool to make warm clothes? Let's put this fluffy friend in place. Perfect! Here's the adorable cat. Cats love to sleep and play with string. Let's match this sticker. There it is, our kitty is complete. Next is a donkey. Donkeys are super strong and can carry heavy loads. Let's stick this hard worker in place. Awesome! Now, it's time for the cow. Cows give us milk, which is super healthy and tasty. Let's match this cow sticker right here. Great job! Time to add some food. First, here's a bowl of bones for our dog. Dogs love crunchy treats like this. Let's stick it down. Perfect! Next, we have straw for the cow. Cows munch on straw all day long to stay full and happy. Let's put it right here. Here's some grain food for the chicken. Chickens love pecking at seeds and grains. Let's match this sticker. Great! Now we have milk for the cat. Cats love drinking milk, it's their favorite treat. Let's place it right here. Here's some fresh grass for the goat. Goats love chewing on grass and leaves. Let's put it right here. Great! Now we have grass for the sheep. Sheep also love to graze on soft green grass. Let's match this sticker. Done! Next up, some grain for the donkey. Donkeys need lots of energy, and grain gives them just that. Stick it down. Perfect!